This is a stereo unit with a little bar and a little bit of a coverage upside. The side window with the dining table, 2 seats. And then it comes with the couch. A window behind the couch, storage under the couch, 2 chairs. Large back window with storage above. This is the back door, the sink, cupboards up above, microwave. We have a stove, an oven, 2 drawers, a cabinet, a large refrigerator with a freezer, a pantry, another drawer there. We have overhead lights all around, over the cabinets, over here, an air conditioning unit. This is the door that separates the bathroom and this is the shower, a sink, a very nice large shower, a nice toilet with some storage. And then back here in the bedroom we have another window. We have storage there for clothes over the bed on both sides. Queen size bed. Sorry it's not made. And then we have a back door. This is looking back into the living space. This table here, the dining room table, has storage underneath the seats. It folds down into a bed. The couch over here has storage underneath, and it also folds into a bed.